Praise Odin this day, Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. Let's see what read we have for the collective. This is what actively is going on. Ooh, somebody is scamming us. Somebody is decepting us. Or are we being deceptive? Something's going on. Something fishy is going on. This is what we're focusing on. A lot of introspection, which is really good during the Mercury retrograde. This is my favorite card. This is the original version of this tarot I want tattooed on me. This is a major thing that we're doing, and it's a major time to be doing this, especially under the Boreas Aurealis lights during the Mercury retrograde, right after 11/11 alignment. This is really good. What's going to be the outcome? Guys, we're going to have to go through an ego death. There's still some things we're not letting go. So some values, some intentions, some ideas you have to let go. Things are not always going to work out as we want, but if we do the work, they will work out.